In the last page, we made our connection to Firebase. We put in our code, Firebase JavaScript software development kit code. Basically, this does a load of work behind the scenes to make connections for you from your web application to Firebase. The overall kind of front end, back end kind of connection that originally you would have had to write loads of code. Anyway, long story short, I just want to mention in this video here, as it presently stands, you are connecting to an external JavaScript page which is called script.js. So I want to change that. I can leave it like that now. That's this fella here, which is nothing in it, and I can leave it like that, but I would like to change this. Look, I'm doing a light status. So a light status page. So that's what I'm going to change to. I'm going to change it to light underscore status.javascript, and I'm going to change this accordingly as well. I'm going to go rename, and I suppose if you only have one JavaScript page in your project, you might just call it script. But if you have two, you might start this convention where you name what it's going to do, the actual thing. So that should all be connected up properly, all okay. And okay, and next we're going to get everything ready to start our configurations for connecting to the particular project in Firebase.